Oh, hello there, art nerds. So today we're taking a look at another Kokuyo mechanical pencil. We're taking a look at the Kokuyo Une Onde Coloree. And this is a 0.5 millimeter mechanical pencil, and I believe I received this in a Zenpop Stationery Box last year. And I talked about it a little bit then, but I definitely wanted to take a closer look at it again. So this is an all plastic body mechanical pencil that has a back advance. It has a plastic clip and grip. It has a hexagonal eraser, which theoretically gives you like 8 different clean points to erase with, but I haven't really noticed the difference. You pull out the whole back to refill it. I like that it has a clip, and while the grip doesn't have any give or cushion to it, it's a little more comfortable than if it had nothing at all, although it does prevent you from kind of putting your own grip on the thing, so it's kind of a catch-22. When I first got this pencil, I was really hoping it would have colored lead in it. Does it not look like the cutest pencil for colored lead? It didn't. It was just purple with regular old graphite in it, which was a bit of a womp, but you know. So these artist review mechanical pencils reviews come in 2 parts, the writing test and the drawing test. We're going to start with the writing test. And I also want to say, I couldn't get you guys a price for this pencil. I tried to find it on Amazon, and Amazon acted like they had no idea what I was talking about. So I'm sorry. Unfortunately, I don't have a price for this one, nor do I have a good source for it. So if you fall in love, let me know where you were able to find it, I guess. So there is no give in the feed. So if you're heavy-handed, this pencil is prone to snapping. That combined with the 0.5 millimeter lead means people like me are going to be snapping a lot of leads. The eraser is a neat concept, but it's not a particularly good eraser, nor is it a particularly clean eraser. Colored erasers tend to do a poor job erasing, and I didn't find the points to be large enough to actually be useful. This is a gimmick I've seen touted many times, and I just fail to see the benefit in my own life. So now we're moving on to the drawing test. So I'm using a little bit of the Uni Mix colored lead, and I'm gonna front fill it. So it is back advance, which means you hold the back in order to open up the clutch that holds the lead in place. So this will allow you to do front feeding if you want. Now I have to say, this thing isn't really that comfortable to sketch with. There's no give in the grip. It's actually a little slippery for some reason. I think when I received it, I expressed disappointment that it wasn't loaded with purple lead. I still think that's a missed opportunity, but I also just like cute themed things. This one hurts my hand quite a bit, which is pretty disappointing. I doubt most Americans will see this one out in the wild, so don't feel like you're missing out. It's way better than other cheap mechanical pencils, but it's still not great. Unfortunately, I lost a little bit of footage there, but I'll catch y'all up. So this is the drawing test, and this is where I decided that this pencil is just a skip for me. It's fine. But even cheap Muji pencils from like Family Mart are easier on the hand than this one. It's cute. It's purple. I'm sure when I pop it in a prize pack in a little library, somebody's gonna love it. but it's not for me, and it's not for folks with hand issues. And that kind of brings me to the point I should have mentioned way back. When I do these mechanical pencil reviews, I'm looking at this not only as an artist, but as somebody who has early onset arthritis from using metal drafting pencils for years and being heavy-handed. So when I'm reviewing pencils, I'm looking for something that's lightweight, that's comfortable in the hand, that's easy to use, something that isn't going to make my hand cramp up, or I don't have to hold it a special different way that's more difficult or takes relearning, something that isn't going to break all my expensive colored leads, but also something I could see using for a long period of time. I not only am a drawing artist who creates comics, but I'm also a teaching artist, and many of the kids I teach have grip issues or struggle with holding a pencil comfortably. So when I'm reviewing these pencils, I'm also thinking about it from their point of view. So sometimes I'll review chunkier pencils, which could be great for kids with grip issues or adults with grip issues, but might not be the best fit for people who are in general just looking for a more comfortable pencil. But every time I review mechanical pencils, I'm looking at it from this viewpoint, and that's why I feel no guilt in saying you guys can skip this one. So the Kokuyo Une Onde Coloree in 0.5 millimeters is a cute pencil. It's a cute purple. It's not ostentatious. It looks like it would work well for school or for home use, but it's difficult to find. The grip is slippery, which I don't understand, and it caused significant cramping in my hand when I was doing this sketch. So for me, this one is a big old skip. But if you like this pencil, let me know down in the comments below what it is that you love about this pencil. Sell me on this pencil. Maybe I'm using it wrong.